product rule. D by dx of u into v, two functions. How we write? Second function into derivative of first function plus first function into derivative of second function. We are differentiating with respect to x only. Both are functions of x. Let's do, this is a formula, remember. So v is also written as v of x, u is u of x. Both are functions of x. Let us do this problem. Sin to the power nx and cos nx. Y equal to sin to the power nx into cos nx. Step 1. dy by dx is equal to cos nx into d by dx of sin to the power nx plus sin to the power nx into d by dx of cos nx. Now, it behaves like cos nx into derivative of sin to the power nx is n sin n minus 1x into d by dx of sin x using the chain rule. Similarly, sin to the power nx, this is minus cos nx, derivative of cos nx is minus sin nx, d by dx of nx. So what we get finally? We get cos nx into cos x n times sin to the power n minus 1x. Just rearranging it. Minus sin to the power nx and cos nx, sorry, it will be sin nx into n. So finally I'll write it n cos nx cos x into sin to the power n minus 1x minus sin nx into sin to the power nx into n. Okay, so we can take common also, n is common, sin n minus 1 x is common, so we can write as cos nx cos x minus sin nx into sin x. So cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. This can be written as n sin n minus 1x into cos of n plus 1 x. So this is dy by dx. So every stage we have used the sine rule. Okay, I'll write on the top the formula d by dx of sin to the power nx is nothing but n sin n minus 1x into cos x. So this is very important formula once again, how we did it using the chain rule. Similarly, d by dx of cos nx is nothing but minus n sin nx. So these are the two formulae which we used in this problem. So dy by dx equal to n sin n minus 1x into cos n plus 1x. So which option is correct? N sin n minus 1x into cos n plus 1x. Option A.